welcome to the Squirrel Tale. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make wooden pegs to attach the plug on a powder horn. I have a relatively simple method for doing this, so let's get into it. So first thing is to take a block of straight grain wood. This is a block of oak, and what you want to do is chisel a piece out of it. So now, I don't like using the end grain, so I'm going to take one more chisel. And you want to do this about the thickness of your hole. So whatever size you drilled the holes, that's about how thick you want to make it. But, well, you want it a little thicker. So you chisel out your stave, or your piece, and then what you want to do is cut it into basically try to make it into like a toothpick. So you're going to split it this way. Again, you want it to be a little thicker than your hole. And the next thing you want to do is to start carving it round. And this doesn't have to be perfect, just try to take the corners off. And that should be good because it is still bigger than my hole, but close. So the next thing to do is I took a flat piece of bar stock, I drilled a hole, and I left the burrs on it. I'm going to put this in the vise. And then I'm going to take my stave, and I'm going to probably scrape it just to get her started into the hole. And I'm going to lightly tap it. And now you have a peg that is perfectly round the size of your hole. And this one is long enough, I should be able to get 2 out of it. So, I put the block back in the vise, which you can just do on a workbench. Chisel it in half. Bring it around. Now, and scraping it a little bit just so it starts in the hole is always a good idea. And tap it in. I'm going to take the other section and do the same thing. I'm going to scrape it a little bit. Just to get started in the hole. Then lightly tap it. Then I'm going to take a small saw. Careful not to cut the horn. And then you cut them. Then you want to chisel and file them flush. And there you be. Now you have your plug is attached with wooden pegs. This method I find to be very nice and simple. The other thing I like is you can kind of scrape it flush. It's not like a pin that damages your tooling. Very authentic, very simple, and I think looks very good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more great content, and check out our Instagram page at @SquirrelTailShow.